Hi and welcome to another video for Are We the Baddies? I'm Ed, and today we'll be looking at one of my Boomco pistols. Usually I work with Nerf pistols, and they work by, there's a slider either at the top or the bottom, just there, that you charge back and that charges the spring, and then you pull the trigger. For this Boomco, it's different. For this, the entire body cycles round this ring here, and then flips back, and then is ready for firing. It also fires, instead of foam darts, these semi-solid straws. Basically the straws with rubber ends. See that? And these fire, well, just the same way a Nerf gun does. But, let me show you how this charges. Well, first off, take a look at the shape. It's usually a nice bright red pistol. And in this case, I've painted it a nice metallic with a white body, a nice red stripe, and tried to get it some worn edges so you can see the steel coming through, as you can see, with a nice wash to give it a nice dirty hand grip, and just some subtle edging, see, all over. So it looks like a previously owned weapon. Also, this one has, when you buy the gun itself, it has these wings that come out. And the idea is these are magnetized. So when you fire the darts, if you're firing at your friend, they should be grabbed here and here. But I spray paint over that, so that doesn't work. So no shooting at your mates. Good tip there. And these wings come out like that, so you can see like more mechanics inside the pistol, which is pretty cool. And they can swivel around as well. I mean, it really does look good. There's the Mass Effect N7 symbol. And now for filming one-handed, the way to charge this is to hold down this secondary trigger here and flip the gun. So let's see if I can get this on film. Oops, sorry. Nope. There you go. And that's how it charges. You flip it down, you flip it back. If I had two hands free, I'd do it like this. Let me get this again. Pop that in. And then fire it, my handy dandy firing range here in the kitchen. Fire it full. As you can see, they're not that shabby power wise, but there it is. Boomco. I can't even remember what type it is because I sand all the names off. The names and all the warnings are usually here. But who wants a blaster with warnings and stuff telling you that it's a toy where it could look more like a real prop? So there you are. Hope you like what you've seen. Thanks.